In this video, we're going to go over how to send Mailchimp emails. Now, let me show you here, audience, here in the left-hand panel. Once I click on this, you need to first add your contacts. Okay, to add a contact, very easy. Come in the top right, click on Add Contact. You can either import contacts, for example, using a CSV file, or you can add a single contact one at a time. Just fill in the details, come in the bottom and click on Add Contact. Now here I'll show you my campaigns. If you want to create a campaign, just come here, easy, the top right, click on Create, and just put in any name, for example, send emails, whatever your internal name will be to help you identify what that email was about. And here you just come and choose one of these templates. Okay, let's do a fully designed template right here. We'll go ahead and pick one. Let's say we want to go ahead and educate and inform them about our product. Let's do this one, a welcome message. We'll do this one, apply. So we'll educate them using this welcome message. Just click on apply. Okay, whatever template you wanted to go ahead and use. So once we're done with this, we can go ahead and save and exit. We'll just use this. Okay, so we're going to save and exit this template right here. And it will redirect us to this page. So we have a to, we have a from. We need to just add a subject and send time. So subject will be welcome. Okay, that is our subject. Of course, you can customize however you like. I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes, just to show you. And you can schedule this if you would like. And also toggle this one on if you want to send when recipients are most likely to open. What I'll do is just send it right now. Okay, we'll toggle this one on, click on save. And to send emails, very easy. You just come to the top right and you click on send, right? And then click on send. Now I'll give you this prompt asking if you're sure you want to go ahead and do this, because you'll send an email to the audience, and we have 26 subscribers. So I'll click on send now right here, and we are getting into the send queue. So it is going to start sending these emails out right now, as you can see. Okay, it's going to start the delivery process. And once it is done, of course, you can always go ahead and monitor the progress by clicking here on campaigns and monitor the performance. And it's really that easy and simple.